Hi guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am doing a comparison video between two products that are basically the same, but one is £22 and one is £6. So one of the brands is by Huda Beauty and this is the Matte and Metal Melted Shadow, and the other brand is Revolution. I have two from Revolution and one from Huda. I'm just going to see which is the closest comparison to this actual colour from Huda Beauty, because this colour is Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset. So this product is double-ended, so you get two different eyeshadows. You get one that is a matte and one that is a shimmer, and basically she said that this is so easy to use. You can use it with your fingers, with a brush, and it's just a really nice on-the-go sort of shadow. Now with Revolution, I do think this is a dupe for that product. They came out with this product a little bit after Huda Beauty, and these products don't have a matte side. They have a shimmer shade and then they have like a pearlized shade. So there's actually no matte shades on these duo-ended eyeshadows. So it's not exactly the same as the Huda Beauty ones, but it kind of is. So I have written down a little bit about the Huda Beauty product and also the Revolution. So I'm just going to kind of give you a bit more information about it. So it says, for Huda Beauty, meet your next makeup obsession. These duo-ended liquid eyeshadows unite two incredible long-wearing, insanely pigmented formulas. The first is a velvety, pillow soft matte, while the second is a melted, glimmering, metallic formula. Can use fingers or brush to blend. Huda Beauty has 10 different shades for these eyeshadow duos, and the price for this product is £22. Now that's a lot of money for just two eyeshadows. Now for the Revolution, it says the travel friendly tube features super soft and flexible wand for easy application. Create a foiled base with the metallic shimmer end, ideal worn alone or as a base for your favourite eyeshadows. For an easy day to night look, flip the tube around and swipe on the mess-free glitter gel. No glue required, and this product has 5 different shades and these are £6. Now that's a lot of difference in price if these work the same as this Huda Beauty. Now let's see which one I do prefer. The first thing I want to say is in the Huda Beauty one you do get 2 millilitres in both of these products, but in the Revolution you get 2.2 millilitres in both of the products. You do get a little bit more in the Revolution than you do in the Huda Beauty. I will say that the Huda Beauty packaging is more sleek and I do prefer it like this, but these are okay. There's nothing wrong with this packaging. So I'm just going to swatch the Huda Beauty one first. The matte shade is called Private Jet, and it's like a pinky peachy colour. And then the shimmer shade is obviously called Shimmering Sunset, and that is the shimmer shade. That is such a beautiful like bronzy colour, and that was basically one swipe. It's really pigmented. Now let's have a look at these ones. I don't think any colour is similar to these ones because they are obviously a like pearlized shade, but let's have a little look. So these ones don't have separate colours for each one. So this one is just called Adored by You, and then this one is called Yours Truly. So let's just try Yours Truly. So the pearlized shade, and that's the colour there. It's super pretty actually, I do like it. And there's a shimmer shade. It is not the same kind of like consistency as the Huda Beauty one. It's more patchy and it's more rough because you can feel the glitter, whereas the Huda Beauty one you can't feel any of the glitter in that kind of formula. So they're not the same. I do prefer the Huda Beauty formula to this one. Now let's try Adored by You, and the pearlized colour looks really pretty. Oh, that's stunning. I do like that colour. There it is. It's a really nice pearlized pink. Super pretty. And then the shimmer shade, let's see if it's the same sort of formula. And then this one isn't the same formula as the first Revolution. You can't feel the glitter, but it is nice. I do like it. It's just not the same formula. There's not like chunks of glitter in there. It was quite smooth. It just felt like the pearlized one. You can probably see the smaller chunks of glitter, whereas the other one you can see a lot more chunky glitter in there. So I'm obviously going to have two different colours on my eyes because I have nothing to match the Huda Beauty one. I do think I want to try this glitter and see what it's like on the eye, if it's quite harsh and tugs. So first I'm going to use the Huda Beauty on this side and use the matte shade in my crease. It says you can use your finger, so I'm going to try it first and see if it will work. I did watch a video of her using these and I think she just applied 3 dots on the crease line and then was able to blend them in. So that's what I'm doing, that much. And then I'm just going to take my finger and then blend them in. And she just blended it in with her finger. And that's what it looks like. That is really, really cool actually. I do like that. It's easy. I just swiped it back and forth and it's blended. I'm just going to add a little bit to the outer corner and see if it's, you know, if you can layer it or not. It seems to layer fine. I do like this formula. It's so easy to blend out. Now I'm going to use the Shimmering Sunset on my lid and see how that is. And there is a Shimmering Sunset. I do love the wand on the shimmer shade. It's very thin and it's easy to kind of like carve and put the shimmer shade where you want it to be. I didn't have to blend that in at all. I've just put it where I want it to be, and I'm going to wait for it to dry a little bit so I can open my eye properly. And I'm actually going to take that matte shade again and see what it's like if you blend it out under the under eye. And it does blend out beautifully with a brush as well, so fingers or brush is okay using this product. I do like that the colours together like complement each other, they work together, so I'm definitely digging this. This is really, really cool. I could apply these before work and it's so simple. I think I might get some more colours. I think the only downside is obviously it's £22, really, really expensive, but it's a stunning formula. Really, really easy. Yeah. Right, so now on to Revolution. Somehow I don't think it's going to be the same as the Huda Beauty, but let's see if it's still okay for the £6 that I paid for them. So I am just going to use this one and it's called Yours Truly. I'm going to use both of these colours. It doesn't have a matte shade, so I don't know what I'm going to put in my crease. Maybe I'll just use the pearlized colour in my crease. Normally I wouldn't put a pearlized colour in my crease, but I'm going to try it. And then obviously use this on the lids. But let's see. So first I'm going to take that pearlized colour and do the same, just dot it in my crease and see if it blends out like the Huda Beauty one. Okay, so it did blend out. It's more sheer than the Huda Beauty one. Let's put a little bit more and see what that's like. It's just blending out to a sheer pearlized colour, so it's not really the same. I'm just going to apply the glitter to the eyelid. So yeah, it's obviously very gloopy and wet. Obviously the pearlized isn't supposed to be in the crease colour, but I just wanted to see what this was like compared to the Huda Beauty one. Yeah, it's not the same, is it? I am going to take this side off and redo in a different way. I'm going to retake that pearlized colour and apply it to half of my eyelid. Maybe it's more pigmented when this one's dry, so you can add another layer. So again, let me dry it. I have tried to put a few coats on, but it didn't sit well. They kind of feel like a top coat, so you have like a base of an eyeshadow down, and then you'll apply these on top to give it like a sparkle or something. That's what these kind of feel like. Not something that you can have on its own because it is so sheer. I'm just going to apply the glitter shade in the rest of my eyelid. Even with this glitter shade, it still feels like it's a top coat for an eyeshadow, not like a pure eyeshadow that you can have on its own. It's just not flattering. It doesn't work as you think it would. Like, this glitter is very, very sheer. If they had like a pigmented colour with it and had the glitter like infused with the colour, then that would be really, really pretty. This other colour is just, it's non-existent. Again, you think it'd be quite pigmented, but it's not. Really, really disappointed in these Revolution products. Normally I'm not, I'm like quite impressed with Revolution, but these ones, I wouldn't buy them again. I would rather spend out the £22 for the Huda Beauty ones than £6 for the Revolution. Maybe if you had an eyeshadow down already and just wanted an extra bit of sparkle to it, then I think that would work. But on its own, it doesn't work at all. And this is what it's like with my glasses on. You can see the Huda Beauty one really, really easily, and it's beautiful. The other side, it looks like a very wet, hot mess. No. I would rather take it off than go out looking like it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. It's grammar somewhere down here, and it's also linked in my description box so you guys go and check that out. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.